Number 3, quality factors. Okay, so there are 3 attenuation constants which we are going to discuss. That is number 1, logarithmic decrement, log arithmetic decrement, relaxation time, and quality factor. These 3, all 3 are very, very important for the semester. So understanding of this is very, very crucial, and I can assure you, if I understand properly, it will take hardly 10 minutes each. Or 5. This is 5 minutes, this is 10 minutes, and this is maximum 5 minutes if you understand properly. But if you don't understand, it will give you trouble for the entire semester. Okay, so let's go. Attenuation means one kind of, that is nothing but decay. How the decay is happening, these all three parameters tells about the decay constant or decay constant. Okay, so anyway, Sotto, network poor Bulchina. But in this equation, can you tell me what is the amplitude, Sotto? In this equation, what is the, which one is the amplitude? Which one is the amplitude? Sotto?
Yes, sir.
Which one is the amplitude? In this equation, which one is the amplitude? P is the amplitude, it's by KT.
Sir, your board is very, which one is? Your board is very hazy.
Very? Is my board is not clear? Anyone? Everyone?
Yes, sir, not clear.
Yes,
sir.
sir. It is not.
Little bit hazy, sir.
Just
Sometimes.
clear right now? Is it clear right now? No, it's same.
Sir, same.
No, sir, same.
So maze hazy hoye je.
Yes, so now it's okay, but sometimes it's becoming very hazy.
Just give me 2 minutes then.
স্যার রোজ এরকমই থাকে
No, রোজ এরকম থাকে না
স্যার এখন পারফেক্টই আছে
Sir, now
এখন
it's
একটু
okay.
ঠিক আছে
স্যার এখন
বিজি
বিজি
হয়ে
আছে
যাচ্ছে বারবার কিছুক্ষণ বাদে
Let's do this.
স্যার ঠিক আছে
So my point is that x equal to Soto. My question is, in this expression, which one is the amplitude? Which one is the amplitude?
Sir, the e power kt, this one p to the power minus kt.
Only e to the power minus kt is the amplitude.
P to the power minus kt.
Okay, so this is my amplitude. This is my entire amplitude. Okay, so remember one thing. This is my amplitude, which is decaying as a function of this one. So can I write it down? So my a, that is say what a, that is amplitude is nothing but p to the power minus kt. Okay, so all things rely on this. If this is my amplitude, so what will be the energy? Anyone? What will be the energy? What will be the energy? Energy is nothing but amplitude square. Energy, that is energy will be amplitude square is of the order proportional to square, but it's in your sense it will be this one. So this is p square to the power minus 2kt. Yes or no? What my word?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'll start the next step with this idea, with this basic idea. I'll start the first one. Logarithmic decrement. Logarithmic decrement. Logarithmic decrement. Okay, so my point is logarithmic decrement. First of all, logarithm, write it down. Logarithmic decrement, it measures the rate of decrease of amplitude. It measures the rate of decrease in amplitude. The rate of decrease in amplitude. So remember this term. If I say this is amplitude, so this means I have to deal with this one. Logarithmic decrement, it measures the rate of decrease of amplitude. Got my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if I draw this car, if I draw this decay car, can you remember this one? That is, if this is my y, this is my x, and this is t. So can I write it out? This one, this is one. Is this okay? So we have drawn this car in the last day. This is nothing but P is equal to minus of KT, and the amplitude is decay. So, can you remember this guy? Yes or no from the last day?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So say this is my amplitude at T by 4. Say this is my A1. This is at how much? This is at T by 2. This is A2. This is A3 and the time is 3T by 4. No, sorry. It will be not be 3T by 4. It will be better to take if you consider T by 4, 3T by 4, 5T by 4. Yeah, take this one, the second one, 3T by 4. So it will be easier. It will be easier for you. Take the second time is at 3T by 4. It is at 5T by 4. A4. There is A4 and 7T by 4. Okay, so with this picture and with this idea, can I write it down? Let A1, A2, A3 are the are the amplitude or the successive amplitude, or the successive amplitude, you can write also successive amplitude at T equal to T by 4, 3T by 4, 5T by 4, 7T by 4, and dot. Where T is the total time period of oscillation. T is the total time, it is the time, not the total, it is the time period of oscillation. Yes or no? Now look at the graph and justify the statement. Let A1, A2, A3 and like that are the successive amplitude at T by 4, 3T by 4, 5T by 4 and 7T by 4. Where this statement is only valid if the T is nothing but capital T is nothing but the total, that is the time period of oscillation. Yes or no?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we have already defined A equal to, that is amplitude is nothing but P equal minus KT. So can you tell me, according to this picture and according to with this idea, what is the value of A1? What is the value of A1? With this example, with this T, what is the value of A1? Anyone?
E
का power
minus
KT by 4.
P power KT by 4. Thank you so much. What is A2?
C e to the power minus 3 KT by 4.
यहाँ पर C का यहाँ पर T बोल रहे हैं तो यहाँ पर सब A में कर P बोल रहे हैं 3T by 4. ठीक है? तो A3 क्या होगा? A3 is nothing but P
P e to the power minus 5
Minus
KT
2,
by
5 by 4.
A3, A4 will be P
P e to the power minus 7
Minus
KT by 4.
7 by 4.
Okay, so what I need, it's called the logarithmic decrement. So I will define the decrement part. Decrement is nothing but the ratio of two consecutive terms. Decrement is nothing but the ratio of two consecutive terms. That is nothing but the decrement. Decrement between two consecutive steps are nothing but decrement. Sometimes it's also defined in terms of D. For say, this is D, then D is equal to A1 by A2. What is the value? That is equal to D. D is nothing but the increment. D is nothing but A1 by A2. What is the value? D1 by D2, P to the power KT minus 4, this one. What is the value? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
E to the power KT by 2.
E to the power
KT by 2.
by 2. Is it okay to everyone?
Yes,
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say what is A3 by A2 by A3?
Sir, same.
for KT by 2.
Same will be the answer.
A3 by A4.
Same.
Same. So this is nothing but wherever decrement is nothing but difference between the ratio between two consecutive states, and every time it is coming about kt by 2. Is it clear to everyone? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If this is my decrement, the question or the terminology asks for logarithmic decrement. So that means natural log of this decrement is nothing but the called logarithmic decrement. So if I take the natural log of this decrement, it will be logarithmic decrement. So natural log. So write it down. Natural log that is ln. Natural log of this decrement. Natural log of this decrement is nothing but called the logarithmic decrement, and it is logarithmic decrement sometimes also expressed as in terms of lambda. It's not Euclid. You can express or logarithmic decrement is nothing but log of this one. If we take this one ln of decrement, what is decrement? It is our kt by 2. Then what is this?
kt by 2.
KT by 2.
So this is nothing but called the logarithmic decrement. Yes or no? Got my point? Is there
Yes, sir.
any ambiguity or is there any problem? So logarithmic decrement is nothing but natural log of two successive amplitude or the ratio of two successive amplitude. Logarithmic decrement is defined as the natural log of the ratio of two successive displacement. Yes or no? Got my point? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
স্যার স্যার
Yes.
নরমাল ডিক্রিমেন্টের থেকে লগারিদমিক ডিক্রিমেন্টটা কি আলাদা?
Obviously.
মানে এটা
That is the ratio. If we take the natural log of this decrement, then it will be called logarithmic decrement.
আচ্ছা ও
The definition is called logarithmic decrement.
হুম
The terminology. So if you find out the decrement, then it will be logarithmic decrement. So you have to take the natural log of the decrement. What is decrement? Decrement is nothing but the ratio of two successive amplitude. So it is every time it is going to kt by 2, kt by 2, it is kt by 2. Natural log of this one, it will be kt by 2. Is it clear to everyone?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Yes.
Oh, yes, sir.
Sometimes in some books they can also consider the ratio of the two successive. It can take one break, that is one a1 by a3, a3 by a5, a5 by a7. Then what will happen? If someone asks you that instead of decrement, if we consider the decrement is not two consecutive, ratio of two consecutive, if we take the a1 by a3, decrement in this way, a3 by a5, a5 by a7, then what will happen?
2D. 2D.
2D.
Yes, sir.
কি করে 2D আছে? If I take the a1 by a3, what will happen? It will be
ওটা তো
complete.
e to the power kt হয়ে যাবে।
Yes, sir.
It
It
will
is
be
about
completely
KT.
KT. Simple as that.
Yes.
Okay, got my point? You can choose anything. So if someone takes a1 by a3, so it will be logarithmic will be kt. As simple as that. Okay. Chalo. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
So logarithmic decrement, one part is done. If you are lucky enough, then there will be short question. What is logarithmic decrement and expression of it? As simple as that. Number one is done. If you have any kind of problem, you can ask me right now. So we can move to the next one. Next one is called relaxation time. Relaxation time. Okay, this derivation is slightly higher, bigger, but you can say this one. Okay, relaxation time. So obviously, relaxation time is nothing but the time required by maybe you, maybe by me. It's nothing but relax. But there should be some proper definition. What is the relaxation time like that? Maybe for me, the relaxation time for 10 minutes, your relaxation time for 20 minutes, maybe for others, is relaxation time for 2 hours, but that should not be the exact definition. So here, relaxation time is defined as the time taken to fall in the energy of the damped oscillator 1 by e times of its initial energy. Define that. It is defined as the time taken or Write it down. It is time taken by the oscillator. It is time taken by the damped oscillator. Time taken by the damped oscillator to fall the energy. To fall the energy. To fall the energy 1 by E times of its initial energy. Matlab 1 by, it is the time taken by the damped oscillator to fall its energy from 1 by E times of the initial one. Okay, you can write it down in this way. That is the time taken by the damped oscillator to fall in the energy. That is 1 by E times of its initial energy. Matlab initially, if the energy is 100, how much it will take to fall the energy 100 by E that time. Okay, that is the 37%, around 36 or 37, as 1 by E is 37%. Got my point? So relaxation time is nothing but if the energy is at initially 100%, how much it will take to decrease its energy by to 37%. Yes or no? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if I want to calculate for the relaxation time, that means I have to find out the internal energy first. That is the initial energy. Then we can calculate when it is coming 1 by E times of that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then let's go for the energy, total energy. So for the damped oscillator, this is also low damping, so SHM is going on. Can I write it down? Energy, that is the total energy. Obviously, this is total energy. This is total energy. Total energy is equal to half mv square plus half m omega square x square. Yes or no? That is the potential, that is the kinetic energy and the kinetic potential energy. Half kx square, k is nothing but m omega square. This is the potential energy, this is the kinetic, and this is the potential. Is there any problem? Is there any problem with this expression? Is there any problem with this expression?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So let's first calculate half mv square. Let's first calculate half mv square. So we have only one option, that is I have to calculate. Is it clear? Okay, I have to calculate half mv square. Okay, how to calculate? X is given, x equal to p e to the power minus kt sin omega prime p plus phi. Okay, so what I need here, half mv square. So what is v? What is v? V is nothing but dx of dt. Yes or no? V is nothing but
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
what will be the expression? Can we write this as p e to the power minus kt omega prime cos omega t plus phi, then minus k p e to the power minus kt, how much then sin omega prime p plus phi. Is it okay or not? Is it okay or not? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear
Yes.
to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is U and this is V. That is simple as that. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now look at this. In this expression, P is coming every time. So I don't know the value of the P. So to understand the value of P, this is an arbitrary constant. To know the value of P, I need some sort of boundary condition. What do you mean by boundary condition? I already mentioned to you. Boundary condition is nothing but the value. It is one kind of known value. So suppose you are right now at 12 o'clock. I am in 221 room and I am moving with that is the 2 km per hour like this. So what will be my position after 1 hour? So you will say that as SOM was standing at 221 and moving with 2 kilometers. So after 2 hours, he will be on 4 kilometers away from this one. So to understand this logic, you have to know the initial condition. That is the SOM is at this room and SOM is moving with 2 km per hour. So these are nothing but called boundary condition or known value. So here to understand the value of unknown factor P, I have to understand the value of the boundary condition. Okay. say the body is excited by giving a velocity v naught from its mean position. So say the body is given a velocity v naught at mean position, that is at t equal to 0, that is position, that is dx dt is v equal to 0, and that time delta is also 0. At t equal to 0, that initially it was at mean position, it was given a force, that is the v is nothing but v naught. This is the say this is the condition, initial condition, that is the body is given initial velocity, that is v equal to v naught and t equal to 0 and delta equal to 0. Then can you tell me what is the value of p? Then can you tell me what is the value of p? What is the value of p? Anyone? Santanu, what is the value of p? Santanu?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of p? What is the value of p?
So calculate, sir. I calculate.
बाजे ओरकम excuse दियो ना. Calculate. You don't have to go for any kind of calculation. Guys, you don't have to go for any kind of calculation.
V naught divided by omega.
V naught by
omega prime.
This is t equal to 0. Sorry, delta. It should be 5. It should be 5 is here 0. So this is 1 and this is completely 0. So how much value will come? If this side is v naught.
So V naught by omega.
Sir, V naught by root over, huh?
Root over.
No, sir.
only V naught by omega
dash is root over omega square minus k square.
It is
I am not going into that part, Musrita. So this is equal to this. Is there any problem in this one?
No, sir.
Is there any problem with this one?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So I think we can proceed here. So here P is nothing but, we have also defined P is nothing but, we have also defined P is nothing but V naught by omega prime. So can we write this one? V naught by omega prime to the power minus kt omega prime cos omega t plus phi minus k. You don't have to write this one, as I can cancel out. Wait for 2 minutes, I can cancel out. Okay, can I cancel this omega prime and this omega prime? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And remember one thing, we have already defined whatever the calculation we are doing here, that is the value of k is very small. And the value of k is very small. Say this is at 0.001. So if I multiply this k with this quantity, so this will be a very, very small quantity. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you suppose if you are multiplying 1 into something and you are multiplying with 0.01 with something, that will be this value will be less. So considering, write it down, considering the low damping value, we can ignore this term. Considering the low value of k, we can ignore the second term. As this is the k value is multiplied, considering the low value of k, we can ignore the second term. So the value v is coming v naught to the power minus 2 kt cos omega prime t plus phi. Yes or no? Got my point?
Sir, that K part not understood, sir.
Sir, first one is why not ignored, only second part is ignored.
Second part is, in the second part there is a k. K into the something, that is a 0.001 into something. So that point will diminish. Yes or no?
Oh, yes.
In this first part there is no k. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Last line a to the power minus 2 kt as well.
But the exponential of that part it will increase, obviously. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So is it clear how it is coming v equal to v naught of
Yes,
v1?
sir.
Is it clear to you?
minus 2 kt
Sir, last line minus 2 kt.
Yes, sir. Sir, last line time.
The last line
To the power minus 2
e
kt.
to the power minus 2.
Sorry. It should be minus kt.
Okay, sir.
So V is nothing but V equal to V naught. V naught it is what V square. What is half raised to V square? Half m V square means half m V naught square to the power minus 2 kT cos square omega t plus 5. Yes or no? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so one part is done. What is half? Then this is kinetic. Then what is potential? Half k x square. Then what is that? That is half m omega x square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Omega square x
Sir,
square.
omega square.
Omega square x square.
Okay. So what is the value? Can we write this one? Half m omega square. Then what is x square?
P square e to the power minus 2 kt sin square omega t plus.
G naught square by omega square, omega dash square, to the power minus 2 kt sin omega prime sin square omega prime t plus 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is omega prime? Omega prime is nothing but omega square k square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
If the value is k is small, if the value of k is small, if k is small, can
Hello to
I
omega.
write omega prime is of the order of omega?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Value is k is small, can I write omega is of the order of omega prime? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is the
Yes,
mechanism
yes,
of this one? Origin? Nothing. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So my point is that cancel this one, cancel this one. Okay, so what is the total energy? Anyone? So total energy is nothing but class of this one.
So half
Can I
m v
write
naught
the
square e to the
total
power minus.
half m v naught square into the power minus 2 kt. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is cos square. This is common part in both shapes. This is common part in here also. Cos square plus sin square equal to 1. That is nothing but yes or no.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the total energy is nothing but this one. E, I am writing in a bigger format. So E equal to half m v naught square to the power minus 2 kT. What I need? I need the initial energy. So at t equal to 0, what is the energy? T equal to 0, 0.
Half MB not a
Half
Half
MV square.
mv
Half
naught
MV
square.
square.
Your kT is 0, that means 1. So E equal to E naught, say that is at 0 point, it is equal to half m v naught square. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
can I write this step? As this step is equal to E equal to E naught, it is power minus 2 kT. Where E naught is nothing but the initial energy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What I need here, anyone? What is our goal? What is our goal?
Electrician time.
Relaxation time.
Relaxation
By
time.
What
time.
G says.
That is the time required by the oscillator to decay its energy 1 by E times. Now tell me, if energy is nothing but E naught e to the power minus 2 kT, when it will be E naught by E? When it will be E naught by E? That means this quantity should be 1 by E. Yes or no? This is E.
Oh, yes, sir.
So can I say in this way, as you are lagging very much, I don't know why, that at T equal to 1 by 2K, what is the value? At T equal to 1 by 2K, what is the value?
So 1 by
E naught e to the power minus.
E naught
E naught
by
by
E equal to K, we say this one, that is E is equal to E naught into e to the power minus 1, that is E naught by E. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
So this T equal to 2K, 1 by 2K is known as the relaxation time of tau. Tau, that is the relaxation time, is nothing but time taken by the oscillator to fall its energy 1 by E times of its initial energy. Look at this, at time T equal to 1 by 2K, then the energy falls 1 by E times of initial energy, that 37% of its initial energy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
What
sir.
my point? So this is nothing but, so is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Sir, your video is lagging, sir.
Yes, sir. Video is lagging.
Yes, sir. Your voice to lag code.
So maybe for I'll check once again. Just give me 1 second. Suppose is it clear right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my point is that Kaka question korbo. Maybe I can go for the this one. Just hold on. I'll change the layout so I can see all people right now. It's one time. Okay. So maybe I can go for it is not going. The attendance is again poor. I don't know, 6 people are absent. Okay, maybe I can go for the. Just hold on. Abhi Chakraborty, and you, Abhi Chakraborty, can you please?
Yes, sir.
Just unmute yourself. If in the MCQ question it is come, if the relaxation time is given 1 by K, 2 is 1 by 2K. Relaxation time is nothing but given that Q1 minus K. And the third one, fourth one is, say, it is 1 by 3K. 3K. Then what is the MCQ answer? Then what is the relaxation time? Which one is right?
Sir, 1 by 2K, sir.
So he is saying that 1 by 2K. Common, that is not the answer. Okay. So both are correct. Both are correct. As you have, so mute yourself. So my point is that though you have already derived 1 by 2K, 1 by 2K is the relaxation time, but you are from St. Thomas, maybe as far as my knowledge, that maybe you are from a good college and you are from a matured enough, so you will write it down 1 by 2K. If there is a tick mark option, then you will go for that one, 1 by 2K. Other than if it is going for offline exam, then you will write both are correct. Why both are correct? If you consider B by M equal to 2K, then it will come like this. Remember, that is B by damping coefficient by mass is we have considered 2K, then while it is coming. If we consider like SPQLA, B by M equal to K, then the relaxation time will come like this. Okay, got my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So both are, but choice is yours. Then why? If it is an MCQ exam and one pointer is that is the in the computer based question, then you can go for 1 by 2K. If it is an offline exam, then they both are options are given. So you write this is the right option, but if you consider B by M equal to K, then it will be the option. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the last topic for the day, maybe it will take more 5 minutes. That is called the quality factor. Last topic for the day, that is the quality factor. That is the quality factor. Okay. Just give me 1 minute for this. Hello. पाठा बोल क्लास में पाठ okay chalo. So quality factor is nothing but quality. So if I say this is a good quality apple, or the apple quality of this pineapple is good, so it is nothing but one kind of figure of merit of that product. Okay, that is how what kind of good, what kind of bad, that is nothing but the term quality defined. So a quality factor of a damped harmonic oscillator, it differentiates between different kind of damping, whether the damping is higher or the damping is lower. To differentiate between these two, light or another kind of damping, we need the term quality factor. Quality factor also can be expressed or in other words, quality factor is nothing but figure of merit of the damped harmonic oscillator, which can differentiate between two different kinds of damping. Okay. It is nothing but the ratio of the maximum restoring force by the maximum damping force. It is nothing but the ratio of the maximum restoring force. Maybe in different book there is a different way of representation, but it is most simple. It is nothing but quality factor defined as Q, which is also sometimes defined as Q. Q is nothing but a figure of merit to differentiate between light damp and the other, that is the different kind of damping, maybe light damping, heavy damping, so normal light, then some critical, and this one just to differentiate between two kind of damping. So it is nothing but the ratio of maximum damping restoring force by maximum damping force. Okay. Sure. Let's calculate this and find out the relation between the relation of Q. Okay. Now, if capital A is the amplitude, if A is the amplitude, so from this expression, for low damping the quality factor will be higher, for higher damping the quality factor will be lower. So it is the inverse. Now tell me, we want to find out the value of Q. Now, if capital A is the amplitude of the vibration, then what will be the maximum value of the restoring force? What will be the maximum value of the restoring force? What will be the maximum value of the restoring force?
Sir, K.
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 A is nothing but, so can I write it down? This is nothing but, so maximum damping force is nothing but, K is nothing but M omega square A, yes or no? Write it down. If capital A is the amplitude, then the maximum restoring force is nothing but K, but this is M omega square A. Is it okay or not? Is it okay or not?
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
What is the maximum damping force? Anyone? So one part is done. Maximum restoring force is done. So Q is nothing but M omega square. Now what is the maximum damping force? I don't know this. Maximum damping force. What is the damping force? Anyone? What is the damping force? Damping force is nothing but B dH dt. Yes or no? Damping force. Pashuna forming. Damping force is nothing but B dH dt. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When the damping force will be maximum. When the damping force will be maximum. When this quantity is maximum, B is a constant. When this quantity will be maximum, then the entire quantity will be max. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Got my point?
Yes, sir.
If the value of the damping constant, damping force is there, so when this is max, so that is nothing but the value of the damping force, which is max. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So can I write that down? That the maximum damping force is nothing but B into B max. That is nothing but B into dH dt max. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the, now tell me what is the value of maximum Vmax? We have already.
Omega.
Huh?
A omega.
A omega dash.
A omega dash.
Thank you so much. How they promptly say that this is A omega. So basically, we have considered x equal to sin omega t. So b equal to something into cos omega t. When the cos part will be 1, that entire part will be maximum. Yes or no? Suppose there is a something into cos omega t. When this part will be 1, so these entire things will be maximum. So that's why they have said this is b a omega prime. Yes or no? What my point? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So can I write it that this is nothing but b a omega prime or omega? We have already defined omega is of the order of omega, so we are typing this one and for low damping. Okay. So can we go further? I think we can. B instead of b, we can put the value of k also. What is b? Relation between b and k. M omega square a. What is b? What is b? Anyone? B by k.
MK, sir. M2K.
B by
M2K, sir.
B by M into 2k. So can I write it down? That is B is nothing but M into 2k. That is 2k.
2K.
Omega. Yes or no? Into A.
Yes, sir.
So then what is the value?
Omega will
A will
be
cancel out.
cancelled.
Omega 1 cancel out. A cancel out. So this is nothing but I can write 1 by 2.
Omega divided by 2k.
Okay, yes or no, sir? Is it clear? So can I write it down? So can I write it down? That is in this.
So 1
way?
by 2k will be tau. Omega tau.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Beta, thank you. So Q is nothing but natural frequency, angular frequency into relaxation time. Yes or no? Is it clear? This is nothing
Yes,
but this is nothing but tau equal to 1 by 2k. Is it clear to everyone? So quality
Yes, sir.
factor is nothing but the relaxation time. Quality factor is nothing but natural frequency into the relaxation time. So obviously, it will depend on k. If the value of k is higher, then the quality factor will be less. If the value of the quality factor is the k is small, then it will be this kind. Okay, is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you have any other class, or this is the last class for that?
We have one
Maybe
physics
second
lab,
half,
sir.
second half.
Practical, sir.
Sir, in second half we have physics lab.
लैब तो मेरा है नहीं, तुम लोग क्या
BE lab.
मालूम नहीं, छोड़ो. Okay, so maybe we can go for next one problem. So is it simple problem? So last class we will complete the damped oscillation by today. So can you tell me? So all things are done from that. Beyond that, there will be no question. Maybe this kind of simple question they can give you. Problem 1. That is the problem. One problem. Maybe tomorrow I will start the fourth one. Problem 1. Can you tell me the how much energy is dissipated? How much energy is dissipated in one time? That is, can you tell me what is the loss of energy? Loss of energy after one time period. After one time period. Okay? You can tell us. Anyone? After one time period. मतलब एक पूरा
37%.
Sir, the quality has decreased again.
Again, okay. So my question is, write it, copy in your question is loss of energy after one time period.
37%.
Am I audible, visible, both right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So my question is, find out the loss of energy after one time period. Find out the energy find out the energy, loss of energy after one time period. मतलब एक बार पूरा चक्कर चलने के बाद कितना एनर्जी वेस्ट होता है. एनर्जी का एक्सप्रेशन क्या है? कहां से स्टार्ट करोगे? एनीवन?
E equal to E naught e to the power minus 2 kT.
Thank you so much. E is nothing but E naught e to the power minus 2 kT. This is expression for this one. So after one time period, can I say that E1 is nothing but E naught e to the power minus 2 kT t plus one time period? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, what capital T
Let's write
represents
this
here?
one. E naught e to the power minus 2 kT into e to the power minus 2 kT. One small t, one capital T. This is for the time period. E to the power दोनों को प्लस है. E x square plus 2. That means this plus this minus. Sorry, this is minus. Obviously. Minus. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is this? You can. ये फिर से E है ना? ये फिर से E है. So can I write that E1 is nothing but e to the power minus 2 kT? Okay. Yes.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
yes, sir.
तो एनर्जी कितना खत्म हुआ? That is the energy loss in 1 unit time. Can I say that this is nothing but one energy loss? This energy in time is nothing but E minus E1. That is, can I say E minus of E to the power minus 2 kT? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अब बेटा k का वैल्यू स्मॉल है, इसको कैसे एक्सटेंड करूं? क्या if the e to the power k value is small, can I write it down? E minus of E 1 plus 2kt plus 4k square t square 2 factorial like this one. Yes or no? Exponential series. ये k बहुत छोटा है. इसको
Yes, sir.
इग्नोर कर दो.
Understood.
So it will be the, can we write it down? This term is not only 2kt by
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the loss. If someone asks you, this is after one time period, this is the loss. If someone asks you what a per unit time, then it can be simply if per unit cycle, then 2 kT by ET cancel out. They can ask you this. They can ask you the per unit होगा तो T कट जाएगा, नहीं तो नहीं. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes,
clear
sir.
Yes,
to
sir.
everyone?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Or sometimes, look at this. Sometimes they can ask you instead of 2 KE, they can also ask you 2 KE is nothing but by M into U. They can ask.
Sir, video is again lagging, sir.
Sir, voice is too.
Sir, প্রচন্ড
V by M. 2 KE is nothing but V by M. That is also. So this kind of question they can ask. Okay, I'll share the problem sheet in the maybe in the after post vibration, but
Sir,
কারণ হচ্ছে আমার ল্যাপটপে চার্জই শেষ। Okay, just give me 2 minutes. My laptop is also not working again. Charge problem. 1 minute. Okay, right now. Okay, now go ahead. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me. So my
স্যার
laptop,
ওটা
I have already
1 প্লাস
switched on the
2
charger.
কেটি হলে
স্যার
নিচেরটা মাইনাস 2 কেটি হয়ে যাবে তো?
No, sorry, it will be minus. Okay, thank you so much. Guys, you are not working properly. Thank you so much. Minus kT, this should be 1 minus. Exponential term, e to the power minus x, series V1. 1, then that part, square of that part by 2 factorial, cube of that by 3 factorial, yes or no?
Yes,
What
sir.
my
yes, sir, yes.
If it is e to the power x, then it will be plus. As it is minus, then it will be minus. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
সবকটা ওই একই বাঁদরের মানে কি বলবো সবকটা বাঁদর ওই একই ছবি দিয়ে রেখেছো কেন? নিজেদের মুখগুলো কি খুব খারাপ দেখতে?
No, sir. Happy Dog Day.
হ্যাপি ডগ ডে
Happy dog.
Happy Dog Day, sir.
ঠিক আছে আমিও বানিয়ে নিচ্ছি তাহলে আমার।
Sir.
আর কে যেন সোমেন দিগার কোথায় ছিল? সোমেন একটা কোশ্চেন পাঠিয়েছো কি যেন ফেলোশিপ
হ্যাঁ,
ইউ
স্যার।
কাম টু দা কলেজ ইউ হ্যাভ টু কাম টু দা কলেজ এন্ড সাবমিট every document whatever you have produced in that portal maybe in
স্যার কবে আসতে হবে স্যার?
sorry
স্যার কবে আসতে হবে?
আজকে এখন কালকে in working day from 10 to 2 okay
মানে স্যার যে কোনো দিন মন্ডে হলে হবে? স্যার মন্ডে
শনিবার বাদে
হবে?
শনিবার আমার কাজ আছে শনিবার রোববার এসো না দুপুর
সোমবার স্যার সোমবার।
সোমবার হ্যাঁ সোমবার মানে মানডেতে হবে সোমবার না বলে সোমবার বললে হবে
Sir.
আর কি আর কিছু
Sir, from vector calculus, sir.
কোশ্চেনটা করেছিলেন r sin θ - 1 টা
কোনটা ওই যে আমি করে দিচ্ছি আমি জাস্ট কালকে আমার 3টে ক্লাস ছিল আজকে দুটো আমি আজকে বা কালকের মধ্যে করে দেবো ঠিক আছে
Sir.
বলো
Sir, from vector calculus, sir, green theorem was something there, sir.
बेटा तुम इसका मतलब तुम नोट पढ़ते नहीं हो तुम क्लास फॉलो करते नहीं हो एग्जाम में ग्रीन्स थ्योरम नहीं है इसलिए मैंने पढ़ाया नहीं ठीक
Sir,
है
that is why I was asking. Sorry, sir.
This is why so if you don't listen to this lecture then just at least follow the terminology so that you can go for the books and check that whether SOM is correct or not and you can also check that only those things you have the semester that's all okay bolo ar kono is there any other question
Sir, you last class you gave a question that why critical damping graph is cheaper than TED.
maybe I'll ask the next class as also several people have already left. I'll ask in the next class okay ar kono is there any other question is there any other question is there any other question if not you can leave the meeting and if you have class in the second half maybe Adisha will take okay so don't worry
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.